Ready to test your momentum trading knowledge? Let's dive in. What is momentum trading primarily based on? Price movement. Which indicator is commonly used in momentum trading? Moving average. True or false? Momentum traders focus on company fundamentals. False. What term describes a stock that has been rising quickly? Uptrend. Which famous investor is known for momentum trading strategies? Richard Dennis. What is a breakout in momentum trading? A price move beyond a resistance level. True or false? Momentum trading only works in bull markets. False. What are the two most critical moving average components in momentum trading? The 9 and 20 EMAs. What is the difference between the SMA and EMA? The SMA is a simple moving average, while the EMA is an exponential moving average that gives more weight to recent prices. What does VWAP stand for in technical analysis? Volume weighted average price. For the best charts, scanners, and analytics, please check out the links and subscribe. Happy trading! Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep learning and refining your strategies. For more resources and to sharpen your skills, visit momentumwithjamie.com. Happy trading! And don't forget to subscribe.